A new AI startup just launched with a beautiful landing page. And its goal? Replace every human worker. Nope, this isn't a joke. The company is called Mechanize, and it was announced on X by AI researcher Tamay Basiroglu. His mission? The full automation of all work. Yes, all of it. Every single job eventually done by AI agents. The internet, as you'd expect, had thoughts. One director at his research institute even posted, "Yay, just what I wanted for my B-Day." A comms crisis. Critics say the startup undermines the credibility of Epic, the respected AI research nonprofit that Basiroglu also founded. But Basiroglu isn't alone. He's backed by big names like Nat Friedman, Daniel Gross, and even Google's Jeff Dean. Investors say the mechanized team has thought deeper on AI than anyone I know. But what does this mean for the rest of us? Basiroglu says automating labor will make life better for humans, creating economic abundance and raising living standards. His logic? If AI agents do all the work, humans can focus on other things. And even if wages go down, he says we'll still have income from things like dividends, rent, and welfare. So basically, let the bots work and we live off stocks. But if no one has a job, who's buying all the AI-made products? Critics argue that full automation might be great for companies, but devastating for regular people. Mechanize is starting with white-collar work, not physical labor. Its goal? Build the tools and training environments to let AI agents take on office jobs. Basiroglu even calculated the market size, not by customers, but by how much humans are paid. $18 trillion a year in the US, $60 trillion globally. But many feel burned by the shift. Epoch was supposed to be a neutral watchdog, benchmarking AI progress. Now it seems like it may have been laying the groundwork for Mechanize all along. Back in December, Epic quietly partnered with OpenAI to help launch a benchmark for its O3 model. And now, Basiroglu's new company is jumping into the agent race alongside OpenAI, Microsoft, and Salesforce. He admits the tech isn't there yet. Agents today are forgetful, unreliable, and can't follow long-term plans. But the goal is clear: solve those problems and automate everything. Love it or hate it, this is the future some people are building. Mechanize is hiring, by the way. The question is, will they need you or just your replacement?